is Tess with ROE Dental Lab, and today I want to talk with you about how we're digital so you don't have to be. A lot of doctors sometimes hear the term digital dentures and feel like maybe it's something they can't do because you're still utilizing analog records. And we want to demystify that by letting you know you can still do this process. Let me talk to you a little bit about what it can offer to you, because it is something new you're implementing into your practice. So like anything, there can be challenges, but there can also be really large benefits. So a couple things to offhand are, it offers a huge cost savings to you. By using our modern technology and design, we can pass along savings to you when it comes to our labor costs and time spent on these cases without sacrificing any integrity. We have a team of skilled and experienced technicians working on these cases, just like you normally would for your conventional denture cases, to make sure you're getting the same great result. We are using similar material, but a better process, meaning the same denture material you all know and have grown to love. We're still fabricating it, it's just made a different way. And kind of a fun analogy I like to tell my doctors is, it's almost like you wake up in the morning and you want to make toast and you're using the toaster versus putting the toast in the oven. We're still getting that same great breakfast or denture, it's just fabricated in a different way. If you'd like to learn more about our digital denture process and feel like you just want a little more education and knowledge on the products before you want to go ahead and proceed, feel free to download our digital denture book online, or if you are ready to go and ready to try out a digital denture and finally take that leap, feel free to call into our lab and have one of our experienced technicians help you and walk you through the process.